Be honest. How many times have you typed out a long email only to realize the other person completely misunderstood you? Or worse, you wasted another hour in a meeting that could have been explained in a quick screen share? Yeah, we've all been there. That's exactly the problem Konvey solves. Konvey is a simple but powerful tool that lets you record and share personalized video messages instantly. Think of it like Loom, but without the expensive recurring subscription. With just one click, you can record your screen, your camera, or even just your voice and share it in seconds with a link. No complicated setup, no downloads, just hit record and send. What I love most is the flexibility. Need to explain a process? Share your screen. Want to make it personal? Turn on your camera. Just need quick audio? That works too. It's the easiest way to add a human touch to your communication without wasting time. Here's something unique. You can also request videos from clients or teammates. So instead of chasing down endless emails, they can just send you a quick video reply. Super handy for collecting feedback or support requests. Konvey also makes your business look professional with white label options. You can add your own logo, custom domain, and branded video request pages. So instead of sending people to a third-party site, everything looks like it's coming directly from your business. All your videos are hosted online, so you can share them instantly with a link, embed them on your site, or even download them if you want. Plus, you'll get analytics to see who's watched your video, so you're not left guessing if your message was received. Here's the kicker. Tools like Loom can easily cost you hundreds every year. But right now, on AppSumo, you can grab Konvey for a one-time payment starting at just $49. That's lifetime access. No monthly fees, no ongoing costs. If you're running a small business, freelancing, or managing a remote team, this deal pays for itself almost instantly. I've tested a lot of these video tools, and honestly, Konvey hits the sweet spot. It's fast, it's easy, and it makes communication feel way more personal than text. And the fact that it's available as a lifetime deal right now makes it a no-brainer. So if you're tired of miscommunication, endless back-and-forth emails, or paying too much for Loom, Konvey is worth checking out. I'll drop a link below in the description. Click it, grab the lifetime deal while it's still available, and start making your communication faster, clearer, and more human today.